Me hear the one Gracie in
Yeah,
here.
make porridge and you have to still want me carry color look on you.
I wanna watch Gracie.
Yo, come taste it.
Me mirror. When Gracie carry come over here for me.
You know style beer.
You
No.
Miss Birdie.
Lemon beer.
Gracie carry me Miss Birdie.
See it there.
Watch there.
Some
Carry,
more.
I mean for that for my grandson.
Look, this is a new kid on the block. Pineapple bola. Taste it.
My friend Gracie carry things can give me a chat down.
Max about me know you piece of KFC in this of here, the jerk off it in.
You carry bun to me.
Yeah, the
Banana good something to care for man, you know.
She now.
Banana good something to care for man.
So then how the food how you say you cook?
Me no cook nothing
Oh,
yet.
you love your belly, you just want me carry my color out.
Yes. Me no cook it yet.
So when this tastes like, how are this now? Why, what about this so special? Make
Cut
you
it right
get
now,
Miss
I could eat
Birdie?
Miss Birdie bun.
It want me know you have to put like closer.
Yeah, I'm just funny. Can't see your one and the jerk, man.
Alright, Max, me here. Loud and clear.
I buy all of them Friday.
It's like KFC.
Yeah.
Right.
That I jerk chicken.
One piece.
To that Sunday, no.
So I'm to that. We eat anything, anytime. We are just
So you carry
Where you
one
left this
little,
what my for?
you carry one little Magnum for Max and one little beer for me.
You hear me say me overweight? At 6 me buy.
Carry back. Carry along. I joke.
She are talking about everything. We have to come
She not grateful. She not me just a come from Jamaica. Make them say, how you have your gear friend? And me I give Max this.
Me appreciate
And me I give
you.
you
And me
one sorrel
appreciate
beer
them.
because me not think you drink sorrel beer.
So you take up the bun for me. Want this?
No, this is for Max and this is for you. Try the pineapple bola.
Oh.
You
Hey!
take back anything, you take back prayer one and then take back water the color look.
Go long way you go.
This is for you to try and tell me how you like it.
Yeah.
Me, this is the only thing me taste one when I go down because you know me can't
And
drink.
it tastes good.
Yeah, it is good to me.
And that's strong. And that's
No,
strong.
but you know me not drink.
Open up that birdie bun there for me.
I have piercing.
Lies
No,
is let me see. Wait there. Oh, no, see Gracie got Jamaica go broke out.
You say look, no?
Yeah,
Longer.
everything. I do this and I do the nose.
Oh, no, see Gracie. Oh, no, see Gracie got Jamaica go broke out. She pretty. No, sir. Adali.
Oh, God.
In Adali.
I'm used to put on tattoo.
Gracie got Jamaica go turn, Dali.
I have my tattoo long time, I lie. We if I put on tattoo with mommy passing the date and her name, but me scared of the needle, so everybody else have for them already. I just...
Alright, so my friend carry Miss Birdie bun for me. I'm gonna have to cut it right away, cause
2 kids up here. Step another one. 2 more.
Okay. Two boy. A long time we don't go Canada, you know, man.
I need to go back to Canada, Grace.
Younger talk, you too
fly,
busy.
No,
Yeah,
no,
me
but
tried
you
it last
can't go
time
that
when me and
road.
Dwayne
Nah,
go.
me not drive.
Me and Dwayne go back, you know, since we the whole we did go over there, you know.
Mad, the one Safi, man.
Let me taste it, because me not even buy none for myself. Me everybody, me
But
hear.
now they buy it
And
from
you
Betty, 'cause
tell
if
me.
you never buy the bun with a scandal, you. You
Move
know.
your nasty self from ya. Can't have me for bun.
What you mean? Let me tell you, that's all me want from you, me no load
I
up.
don't know what the hell me have to walk and ask people, what is Miss Birdie bun?
Bombard style.
Because you know, say me no know them as something here.
Yes. Oh my God, it tastes really good too.
What, somebody you say I promote it?
The Angie Dana.
Oh, okay.
And she done make
But remember, say we eat Birdie
No,
biscuit.
but like,
Me eat the biscuit, Angela carry up the biscuit already and me eat the biscuit.
tastes really good.
It's really spicy.
It tastes good.
It's spicy.
Me that man, me not into the bun.
Anyhow,
You know bun.
at the first me hear about Miss Birdie
You
bun.
know bun.
Me not take it, I'm not get. Yes, you bring
Alright,
back bun
you
to
know.
me. You don't bring a bun to your house, man.
Yeah, it make me buy them kind of like bun.
What? You like bun?
It's Birdie bun.
Whether at the food bun or bun is just like bun.
You there?
You go to Jamaica and left me, you know, but I bring back a bun for me. You know. That's why I bun down there.
You hear that?
I'll bring it, come here.
Alright, give me a piece of this, make me go on, because I never know about it.
Miss Birdie bun turn up, nah gonna lie. Miss Birdie bun I say one over here.
It tastes spicy.
It tastes really good.
You know have the mouth.
And it's soft.
You know talk. Me don't know how you love this thing, so.
Okay, so see me and my friend, yeah?
Yes, I'm back.
She come back
Yes,
from Jamaica.
I'm back.
I didn't miss her. See them? I miss my friend. I didn't miss her. But you don't there give me peer attitude. I'm never bother call
Don't
her.
call me. I'm bother me.
Yeah. She tired of me.
Yeah, call me, bother me for my vacation.
And she carry birdie bun.
Leave me enjoy my kids them and my grandkids them.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
No, I'm not no trouble to her, but I'm here the first one she call when she come here.